Okay, in this video, I will share to all of you about how to make a wide stair on outdoor stair. Okay, first of all, we have to use the rotated rectangle. Click this rotated rectangle, and then we can click this point. Then we can drag to the another side. It's around 400 millimeter or 40 centimeters, and then you can set the weight value as you want. Maybe it's around 9 meters approximately. Okay, so you can get the plane, you can get the rectangle plane over there. Then you have to click this plane. So you can select the push tool, and then you can click this plane, and then you can pull up around 150 millimeter. Okay, you can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, so then you can right click and make component and create. Okay, so you can select move. Okay, you can click this point, and then you can press Control. So you can press Control to duplicate it, and you can click this point, and then you can type X 12 for example. Okay, this is about the first segment. This is the first segment of the stair. Then you can click this object. And then you can select move. Okay, so you can press Control, and then you can press Control to duplicate, and then place on this position. Okay, and then in this process, you can right click this stair, and then you can select make unique, and then you can click this tape measure tool. You can start click from here. You can click this here. Then you can click for the distance about the borders. Maybe it's around 3 meter or 3000 millimeter. Okay, and then you can click this staircase. Okay, so then you can select this plane. Then you can select this push. Click this one, and then you can click this one. Okay, so you can get the result, and then after that you can click this staircase, and then you can right click and make group. Okay, so you can select the move and control, okay, to duplicate this segment, and then you can click this point until you can click this point. Okay, and it's done. And for the another element, you can using the line. You can using the line. Then you can click start from here. Then you can click start from here. I'm sorry. You can click start from here, this point, through this point. Then you can click carefully to this point. You can through this point. Then you can click this point. Then you can press shift. You can press shift, and then you can direct to this point. Okay, so you can close this plane, and then you can um, triple click, and then you can select a move and move it up. Maybe it's around 1 meter. Okay, so you can and after that you can click this line, this bottom line. Then you can select a move and click this line, and then you can place on this position. Okay, done. And then you can click this plane, then push, and then you can set the distance or the height of the edge of the stair. Okay, you can set maybe around 500 millimeter. Triple click, right click, and make group, and you can right click and make component and just create. Then you can select a move this point, and then you can press Control, then place on this position. Okay, and then you can set the material. Maybe you can using the concrete, and you can assign about your creativity. Okay, you can assign for the another element with this element, and you can also modify this every single stair. You can also modify this every single stair with the triple click to enter to this group. Then you can click this line. Then you can select a move, press Control. Then you can move it to the upper position, maybe around 50 millimeter. Then you can click this plane, and then you can select a push and place. You can push to the behind around 20. Okay. Okay, and it's done. You can also click this one, click this plane and push until this position. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And just wait for my next video tutorial. Thank you.